Today's topic is about types of quadrilateral and their properties from the unit of geometry. First we have to write name of the student teacher, name of the guide teacher, name of the school, standard, subject, unit geometry, topic, types of quadrilateral and their properties, number of students, date. Next one is instructional objectives. Instructional objectives, general instructional objectives. The student recalls the concept of quadrilaters, acquires the knowledge of types of quadrilaters, to know the properties of quadrilaters, quadrilaterals, understand the concept of types of quadrilaters and its properties, understand the concept of types of quadrilateral and its properties, develop their skill of identification, develop their skill of identification. Next one is specific instructional objectives. The student list out the basic types of quadrilateral, list out the basic types of quadrilateral, draw the figure for types of quadrilateral, draw the figure for types of quadrilateral, describe about parallelogram and its properties, describe about parallelogram and its properties, determine the rhombus and its properties, determine the rhombus and its properties, demonstrate the trapezium and its properties, demonstrate the trapezium and its properties, illustrate the isosceles trapezium with properties, illustrate the isosceles trapezium with properties, express about the kite and its properties, express about the kite and its properties, enumerates about the rectangle and its properties, enumerates about the rectangle and its properties, discuss the square with figure and properties, discuss the square with figure and properties. Next one is utilization of teaching aids, chart and flashcard, chart and flashcard. Previous knowledge of the learner. Teacher verify the previous knowledge of the students through probing questions like teacher verify the previous knowledge of the students through probing questions like what is quadrilateral, what is mean by quadrilateral, what is mean by quadrilateral, do you know the types of quadrilateral, do you know the types of quadrilateral, do you know the types of quadrilaterals. Motivation. Teacher motivates the students to learn about the concept of types of quadrilaterals and their properties. Teacher motivates the students to learn about the concept of types of quadrilaterals and their properties. She has written the topic on the blackboard. She has written the topic on the blackboard and underline it. And underline it. Next one is methods of teaching. Then we have to do 4 partitions: specification of behavioral objectives, content, teaching learning experience, and evaluation. In the first row, first box, list out the basic types of quadrilateral. List out the basic types of quadrilateral. In the second box, the basic types of quadrilateral are rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and kite. In the third box, the teacher explains the basic types of quadrilateral. The students listen silently. In the last box, explain the basic types of quadrilateral. In the second row, draw the figure for types of quadrilateral. Draw the figure for types of quadrilateral. Then we have to draw the quadrilateral figure. Third box, the teacher draws the figure and explains the types of quadrilateral by using the chart. The students observe the class. Here we have to paste the chart. Inside write types of quadrilateral figure. In the last box, draw the figure for types of quadrilateral. Draw the figure for types of quadrilateral. In the third row, first box, describe about parallelogram and its properties. Describe about parallelogram and its properties. In the next box, parallelogram. We have to draw the parallelogram figure. Then sides and angles. First, sides. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Angles. Opposite angles are equal and sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. In the next box, the teacher describes the parallelogram and its properties by sides, angles and diagonals. The students listen carefully. Describe about parallelogram and its properties. The next box, describe about parallelogram and its properties. Here, look at here. In the parallelogram heading, we have to write three topics: sides, angles and third one is diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Next one is I think now it's clear. Is it clear? Next one is describe the rhombus and its properties. Describe the rhombus and its properties. Next one is rhombus. In the rhombus, we have to draw the rhombus figure. There are three side topics: sides, angles and diagonals. Sides, all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Then angles, opposite angles are equal and sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Then diagonals, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. In the third box, the teacher explains about rhombus and its properties by using blackboard. The teacher explains about rhombus and its properties by using blackboard. The students ask doubts. Here we have to paste the black chart. Inside write rhombus and its properties. In the last box, determine the rhombus and its properties. In the next row, demonstrate the trapezium and its properties. In the next box, write trapezium. Here also 3 side topics: sides, angles and diagonals. Then draw the trapezium figure. Side. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Angles. The angles are the ends of each non-parallel sides are supplementary. Diagonals. Diagonals need not be equal. In the next box, the teacher explains the trapezium by using blackboard. The students listen silently. In the last box, define trapezium, sides, angles and diagonals. In the next row, illustrate the isosceles trapezium with properties. The next box, isosceles trapezium. Draw the figure. Here also 3 side side topics: sides, angles and diagonals. Sides. One pair of opposite sides are parallel and non-parallel sides are equal in length. Angles. The angles at the ends of each parallel sides are equal. Diagonals. Diagonals are of equal length. In the next box, the teacher explains the isosceles trapezium by using flashcard. The students observe the class with interest. Here we have to paste the chart. Here we have to paste the flashcard. Inside write, explain the sides of isosceles trapezium. The last box, explain the isosceles trapezium and its properties. In the next row, first box, express about the kite and its properties. Express about the kite and its properties. In the next box, kite. Here also 3 side topics: sides, angles and diagonals. Sides. 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Angles. 1 pair of opposite angles are equal. Next one is diagonals. Diagonals bisect at right angle. Shorter diagonal bisect by longer diagonal. Longer diagonal divides the kite into 2 congruent triangles. In the third box, we have to write the figure for kite. We have to draw the figure for the kite. In the next box, the teacher explains about the kite. The students listen quietly. The students listen quietly. The fourth box, explain about the kite and its properties. In the next row, enumerates about the rectangle and its properties. Enumerates about the rectangle and its properties. Rectangle, here also 3 side topics: sides, angles and diagonals. rectangle. Sides, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Angles, all angles are 90 degree. Diagonals, the diagonals bisect each other. We have to draw the rectangle figure. The next box, the teacher explains the rectangle and its properties. The students understand the concept. In the last box, describe the figure for rectangle and mention its properties. Describe the figure for rectangle and mention its properties. The next row, discuss the square with figure and its properties. Discuss the square with figure and its properties. In the next box, squares. Square, we have to draw the square figure also. Then three side topics, sides, angles and diagonals. Sides, opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. Angles, all angles are 90 degree. Diagonals, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. In the next box, the teacher explains the square and its properties. The students listen with interest. The last box, explain the square with properties. Explain the square with properties. Next one is summarize. Next topic is about summarize. The teacher summarizes the overall concept of the lesson. Next one, follow-up activities. Draw the figure for types of quadrilateral. Follow-up activities. Draw the figure for types of quadrilateral. Then at last, signature of the student teacher and signature of the guide teacher. Then at last, signature of the student teacher and signature of the guide teacher. Okay friends, if you like this video, like it, comment it, share with your friends and subscribe the bell button for further notification. Thank you. Okay, thank you.